What's up guys, it's Raccoon back with another video, and in this video I am going to be showing you how to make this Behringer XM8500 sound like a Shure SM7b. So for those of you who don't know, this Behringer XM8500 is a $35 microphone, and the Shure SM7b cost about $700. That's Australian prices, but I saw a video on YouTube showing how close the difference between the two microphones actually is, and it's really incredible to see that the sound quality of this is super similar. So let me play that clip right now.
It sounds really good. Let's go ahead and switch back over just for another quick comparison, because this is sounding quite good right now. So here is the Behringer XM8500, and here is the Shure SM7b. 7B sounds smoother, a little brighter, which is weird, known as a dark mic, but it just has a lot more clarity. But the Behringer XM8500, I have to say, holds its own. I mean, we're talking 25 versus 400.
So as you can see, they sound super similar, especially for that price difference. The plosives on this microphone are horrible. And let me give you a demonstration of the plosives. The plosives on this microphone are pretty horrible. And so I found a trick to get rid of those plosives entirely. And I really mean it, like literally there is no plosives after you do this. So all you need is one of these windsocks or windscreens, and they're very cheap, they're like $1 or $2. And most people would just throw them right on, all the way on. So now if I do the plosive test again, it still has quite a lot of plosives. It's not that great. But look at this. If I simply just move it further back, I move it all the way to where it's aligned with the back of the mesh on the microphone, and look at it now. There's literally, the plosives are almost gone. It's incredible to see how a simple trick like this can entirely remove plosives. If you're wondering how this works, pretty much, since this is getting moved back further away from the capsule, the air has time to slow down through the windscreen, and then it doesn't actually end up hitting the capsule, which is great. And so, hopefully this video helped you, and definitely try it out. It's a really good technique, and this also works on a lot of other microphones as well, like dynamic microphones and stuff. Then you can move it further back. And pretty much, this is actually the technique that the Shure SM7b uses, because on the Shure SM7b, if you take off the windscreen or the windsock, you can see there's a huge metal frame or whatever it is, metal mesh around the capsule, and it leaves a massive amount of distance in between the capsule and the windscreen. So this is pretty much doing the same thing, and as you can see, the plosives are completely gone. Like, this is quite close to my mouth, I'm speaking right into it, and as you can see, there's literally no plosives. I'm trying to like really emphasize the P and all that. It's gone. Like, there is still some, but it's nowhere near as bad as without a windsock or with it straight on. So hopefully this helped you out. If it did, drop a like on the video, and if it didn't, drop a dislike on the video. Remember to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.